Mercadolibre stock is down 38%, and I'm here to tell you 3 reasons why I'm buying shares of Mercadolibre this week. And stick around to the very end. I'll show you exactly what I own in my real money portfolio. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. Do you own Mercadolibre or do you plan on buying it? Reason number 1, I love to buy shares of companies that outperform the market. This is the performance of Mercadolibre over the last 15 years. It has grown 29% a year. That turns $10,000 into $425,000 for long-term investors who held the stock from 2007 to 2022. Reason number 2, the stock is trading cheaper at a price to sales multiple than it has at any time in the last 3 to 5 years. So we could see right here, price to sales ratio of 7.8. The last time it traded below that was back in 2016. When we look forward, based on their growth estimates, even if it traded down to a price to sales ratio of around 5, we'd still be looking at an annualized return of 16%. I'll take that any day. That outperforms the market, and Mercadolibre is a company with a lot of growth ahead. Reason number 3, gets a 4-star rating from Morningstar, which means that it's currently trading under what they calculate the fair value of $15.80. Shares as of last close, we're at around $1,200 per share. Further, Morningstar has given them an economic moat rating of wide, meaning they have a competitive advantage over their competition, and capital allocation, so how management spends and invests money, they give them exemplary. Let's jump into commonstock.com, where I have my portfolio linked, and you can see exactly what I own in my portfolio. The top stocks are GitLab, Monday, Twilio, DigitalOcean, Snowflake, and ServiceNow. I've also got some dividend payers down at the bottom. This is not financial advice. This is information. Let me know in the comments if you own Mercadolibre. Make sure to click the link above so you can see my real money portfolio that I'm working to build from $10,000 to over $1 million in the next 10 years.